Hey bunnies, so I am back with another makeup tutorial, and again I'm using the Carlibybel palette. If you didn't watch last week's video, I'll be using this palette for the entire month doing different makeup looks, and then next month I'll move on to another palette. Now for this look I'm using 5 different shadows. It's kind of like a cut crease but like softer and a little bit smokier, because like I said last time, I do like a smokier kind of look. It's not as dramatic as your typical cut crease, and yeah. The only additional product that I used with this eyeshadow was the Painterly Paint Pot, because I really wanted the shimmery shadows to really pop out. Now the colors that I'm using are these 3 here in the top row, as well as this really soft brown, and as usual the dark brown here. I love this brown. It's really dark. It's darker than it looks in the palette. It's like a soft black but not as dramatic as a black, so you don't really miss the black in the palette even though it's not there. The first thing I did, I went into my crease with this peachy color right here, and I go into the crease with my fluffy creasing brush, and then I go into the soft brown. After a while I did combine the 2 together and go into the crease. For the lid, I used the middle shimmer color here, and I applied that directly on top of the lid, on top of the Painterly Paint Pot. If you guys have the soft ochre or whatever, go ahead and use that. I just used it so that the color would pop all the way, so you don't necessarily have to use the paint pot. You can always go with a jumbo pencil stick, or you could just do concealer. Whatever you have works, just so that the product really sticks to your lid and it pops. For the cut crease, I used the super dark brown here with a pencil brush, and I put that along the crease, and then I went in with my fluffy brush with no product on there just to blend out the edges so that it's not super harsh and it has a smokier look. For the inner corner and for under my lower lash line, I did use this shimmer color here on the end. So when you apply it in your inner corner and combine it with your lid color, it gives it like a soft ombre look as well. To finish up the look, I went with, of course, mascara, liner, and lashes. I did not do a wing liner for this look because I wanted it to have more of a tropically feel than a, you know, off the runway type of va va voom kind of look. I wanted something a little bit more natural glam, even though this is a lot of shimmer, but you get where I'm coming from? Yeah. And that is the end of the look. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to suggest another video for me to do, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.